Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. And in this video, I want to talk for a few minutes about the three different options that claimants have when they're facing a hearing before an administrative law judge during the appeal process for their claim for Social Security disability benefits. During the pandemic, the Social Security Administration throughout the United States has closed their offices to the public, so there are no in-person hearings during this time. It's been that way for a few months now. I'm filming this in August of 2020, and it will continue to go forward in this manner with the Social Security Administration offices being closed for the foreseeable future. We don't have a timetable, so this is what we have right now. Instead of in-person hearings, which has been the norm, there really are now three options for claimants. First and foremost, if a claimant has a hearing set up and they don't feel comfortable about a telephone hearing, which is becoming the norm, they can postpone their hearing to a later date. There's advantages and disadvantages to that. A disadvantage is they won't have a decision made on their case until they have that hearing, whether it later is in person or by telephone or video. An advantage may be if it's necessary, if it's best for the claimant's case, for the administrative law judge to actually observe and see the claimant because of different ailments or things that they're dealing with, that visually that it might be important, then maybe you postpone your hearing until you can do it in person. A second option, and this is what's becoming the norm, are telephone interviews. While they're not particularly easy to deal with, it is just like being on the telephone. It's not video, it's just a telephone interview where you're on the phone, where the claimant is typically at their house or someplace quiet. The attorney or the representative is also on the phone, and the judge conducts the hearing. They can be a little disjointing, they can be a little stressful at times, but that's becoming the norm. We've handled many of those type of telephone hearings over the last few months, and it seems to be working okay. The third option is for a video conference from your attorney's office. Now, depending on social distancing and your representative's office procedures about allowing the public in will determine if you can do that. Additionally, very few law offices are certified to have video hearings conducted. So for now, while it's not the greatest procedure, this is the way that the Social Security Administration has chosen for claimants to still have their claims handled and heard, is by telephone. We have other videos in this series that explain how those are conducted and best tips, best practices. So please check back with the Nomberg Law Firm YouTube channel for more information.